After you have entered the access code for your writing lab, My Writing Lab information, and signed the privacy agreement, then you should be ready to begin your work with My Writing Lab. And so you will click on, in your course, when you log into Blackboard, you will find the My Writing Lab link that your instructor has provided, and that will take you directly into the My Writing Lab work. Once you are inside the My Writing Lab or MyLabsPlus area, you will see to the left-hand side two grayed areas that will allow you to view various items that are part of My Writing Lab. And one feature of these bars is that they do open and close or expand and become, and so you need to make sure that they are expanded or reduced accordingly. So you click on the bar itself, left-hand click, and it will expand it. And so you can see that there are various items, as in the My Writing Lab. When you click on that link, you will see the study plan and the gradebook area. And under the course home, you may see syllabus, support, Pearson eText, and temporary access, depending on what your instructor has made available for your course. So let's first go through the course home area. At times, the instructor may put announcements in this area under the course home, may also put a course checklist. So, depending upon the instructor, you may have additional information. Some instructors may populate the syllabus field or not. The most important area, two areas for this course home area, will be the support button, and this is the area that you would go to if you needed to email Pearson for My Writing Lab support, or if you needed to call them for 24/7 technical support. This is a 1-800 free number. You could also search the knowledge base area to look for sets of questions that people tend to have when they're working on My Writing Lab. So you can click on those links to get further information. They are also accompanied by links to the right that would be help and technical support, as well as many of the other features that are on the left-hand side are available through the top legend as well. The other feature under Course Home is the Pearson eText. When you click on the Pearson eText link, you should be taken to the electronic version of the electronic textbook. Now, I will point out that sometimes when you initially click on this link for the eTextbook, it will give you an error message. If it does, simply go out and click on the link again until it actually shows you the eText. So I'm clicking on the eText, and what you should get is a message about viewing, unless you already have your computer set to 1024 by 768 pixels. Click OK, and it will open the electronic version of the eTextbook. Now, this is the version that is currently available. It may change to be a different type of eTextbook, but currently it's divided by the chapters that are part of the physical book. And so you do have the electronic version of the book that you can look at online, or using your iPad or iPhone or personal computer, whatever you walk with or have with you, you have available an electronic version of the book. So we can close that. And so the two areas that I would emphasize that you need to be familiar with under Course Home would be support and the Pearson eText area. The temporary access code, I don't use that for my classes, although some instructors may. It's a brief access to some of the resources available to you, but it does expire in a few days, and the key is that you need to purchase your textbook so that you have the full year access to the material. This access code will only last for a few days, which will leave you in the same situation of not being able to complete your work if you use the temporary access code.